Hey, did you think your gardening season was over? Think again. October may feel like the end, but it's actually the perfect time to extend your growing season and enjoy a fresh fall harvest. Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly what to plant right now in Zone 4 to keep your garden thriving. Hey there, fellow gardeners! If you live in Zone 4, you know that cold weather is just around the corner. But here's the good news. Your garden doesn't have to shut down just yet. October is actually an ideal time to plant crops that love the cool temperatures. Today, I'm going to share 5 plants that are perfect for October and some simple tips to help them grow strong. What to plant in October? Broccoli. Broccoli thrives in cool weather, making October the perfect time to plant. It grows best when it starts in cooler fall temperatures and will give you a fresh harvest just before winter hits. Cabbage. Cabbage is another great choice for fall planting. It handles the cold well and adds a fresh, crunchy element to your meals when harvested. Cauliflower. This one loves the cool weather too. Though it takes a bit longer to mature, planting it now will mean you'll have beautiful heads to harvest before the ground freezes. Kale. Kale is super hardy, and cooler temperatures actually make it taste sweeter. It's a perfect addition to your fall garden because it can even survive light frosts. Lettuce. Lettuce grows fast, which makes it ideal for planting in October. You'll be able to enjoy crisp salads in just a few weeks. Tips for October planting. Start seeds indoors since it's getting colder. You'll want to give your plants a head start. Start your seeds indoors where it's warmer, and once they've sprouted, move them outside. Transplant seedlings when your seedlings are strong enough. Transplant them into your garden. Make sure to do this on a mild day to avoid stressing them. Water regularly, even though it's cooler. Your plants still need water. Keep the soil moist, especially during dry autumn days. Fertilize monthly. Fall gardens benefit from a little extra nutrition. Fertilize once a month to help your plants grow strong and produce a healthy harvest. Harvesting schedule. Broccoli, ready to harvest in 6-8 weeks. Cabbage can be harvested in 4-6 weeks. Cauliflower takes about 8-10 weeks. Kale, ready to pick in 4-6 weeks. Lettuce, fast grower, ready in just 4-6 weeks. Extra resources. For more gardening tips, check out Calicem's blog or YouTube channel where she shares more detailed advice on fall planting and care. So, if you thought October was too late for gardening, think again. With these cool weather crops, your garden can keep thriving even as the temperatures drop. A little planning goes a long way in extending your growing season. Happy gardening, and I'll see you next time.